Welcome to Near Me Marketing's Client Masterclass. My name is Cameron, and today I'll be taking you through the steps on gaining access to all the features that YouTube has to offer, so we can start growing your business together and towards success. Today, let's begin. First things first, make sure to be logged into the email that is associated to your business. Next, we're going to head over to youtube.com. Once we are on the page, we'll click on your logo on the top right of the screen. Then, we'll click on YouTube Studio in the pop-up menu that appears. From there, we'll click on the Settings button in the bottom left of the screen. Once the pop-up menu appears, we'll click on Channel, then Feature Eligibility. There are 3 tiers of features: Standard, Intermediate, and Advanced. We'll go over all of the features later on in the video. Standard features are automatically enabled on every YouTube channel. Their requirements are that your channel is free of active community guideline strikes. This means that we're staying away from copyrighted works, which we will make sure that we are using properly acquired works for items such as background music or stock footage. Intermediate features require that standard features are enabled and that you verify your phone number. To start this process, you'll click on the Access Features button underneath the list of requirements. YouTube will open a page that asks you to put in your phone number. You can then choose whether to get a call or a text and enter the number they give you in the website. Once you've verified your number, you'll have access to intermediate features. Finally, we have advanced features. Advanced features require that intermediate features be enabled and one of the following: video verification, valid ID, or channel history. To start this process, you'll click on the Access Features button underneath the list of requirements. YouTube will open a page asking which method you'd like to do, taking a 6-second video of yourself. This requires you to take a quick video of yourself to verify that you are human and not a bot. Taking a photo of your ID. This requires you to take a front and back picture of your ID, once again to verify that you are human and not a bot. Build history as you grow. This method is the default method in which your channel will be verified and allowed advanced features. As you continue to use your channel and follow their community guidelines, they will see that it is human-based content and not a bot trying to abuse the system. However, this requires up to 2 months of activity before it can be verified. By doing one of the other 2 methods, you can get verified in as little as 24 hours and can have everything ready for your YouTube channel to grow. As a plus, once your channel has been verified due to channel history, the previous method, a video or picture, will be deleted and not stored on their platform, giving you that peace of mind that your information is not out there. So, what are the features that YouTube offers in their different tiers? Well, why don't we check it out? Standard. Ability to upload videos. Ability to create and manage playlists. And the ability to create and manage community posts. However, with these, there are daily limits on how much you can upload and how long the videos can be. But with the verification, which is also obtaining advanced feature eligibility, you can upload more daily. Intermediate. The ability to upload videos longer than 15 minutes. Custom thumbnails. And being able to create a podcast for your company. Once again, with the access of advanced features, you are allowed more daily limits in this tier. Advanced features. The ability to appeal content claims on your videos. Embed live streams onto your company's website for your customers. Add clickable links in your videos and posts, which allows for us to link back to your company. Add related videos to your YouTube Shorts. This allows more linking back to your company in these short form videos. Pin comments on videos and posts. RSS uploads for your podcast. Add clickable links to your channel details. Add chapters to your long-form videos. And add additional channels to your account, which is invaluable if you have multiple branches in your company, as it will keep everything nice and neat. And that's it. You've now made your channel eligible for the advanced features. This is extremely helpful to us as your marketing partners, as it allows us to make your videos clickable and engaging to your audience. Thank you for watching. We hope this video helped. If you have any questions or are stuck on a part of the process, don't hesitate to reach out to us and we'll help you walk through the whole thing. Don't forget to subscribe and check out our other videos on the channel. We hope you have a fantastic day.